Hello, hi, this is BB. Welcome to XO Orders slash Bebedocars Auto Repair. On this 2017 Jeep, the starter, if you guys look at it, look, you see, the starter is moving. You see, the starter is moving. Somebody that did a previous work on this car, if they did a transmission, this car probably left the starter loose, so the starter burned out or because of a bad connection, so the car is not started. So this starter is supposed to be very tight. It's very hard to take this starter out. As you can see, there is no space for doing it anything right now.